Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the presentation and saving a backup so you can revert if needed. Next, move to the Slideshow tab and click Set up Slideshow. This is the central control for playback. Once there, make sure to uncheck Use Timings. That immediately prevents the slideshow from advancing on its own. You're stopping the automation at the source, which is faster and less error-prone than fixing each slide one by one. With the deck still open, select all slides in Slide Sorter or use Control+ in Normal View so changes apply globally. Then open the Transitions tab and look for the Advanced Slide options. Specifically clear the After Timing checkbox or set it to 0 so no automatic countdown remains. Once done, switch to On mouse click so you control progression. This addresses per slide timers left behind by rehearsals or imported decks, and ensures consistency across the end. When you're already presenting and need to stop the running timer, use the Rehearse Timings toolbar if visible. Click Pause to freeze the countdown, then stop to end rehearsal mode. If you're not rehearsing, pressing ESC exits the slideshow and thereby stops any running timers. Once you return, save the file. If timings persist after these steps, go to Record Slideshow and choose Clear Timings for all slides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.